Hello, assalamu alaikum to all of you. I'm back again in front to all of you. Hope you are doing great by the mercy of Allah. Today we are going to learn very important words which are somewhat and somewhere. We are worried about how we can use in the sentence those words. Don't worry about. Today we are going to learn these words, and first of all we are going to learn those words correct pronunciation. As you know that pronunciation is very important for speaking. If your pronunciation is very well, that brings your speaking that's very outstanding and that you feel comfortable to speak when you speak in a native speaker. Okay, first of all we are going to learn pronunciation, how we can pronounce these words. Somewhat. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Somewhat. Next one is somewhere. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, now we are going to look at these words in sentences. First of all, we are going to learn somewhere. Okay, let's begin. Somewhere means a place that is totally unknown for you. If I speak in Bangla, that means কোথায়. Somewhere means কোথায়. যখন আমরা কোনো প্লেসে ভ্রমণ করতে ইচ্ছা করি, ফিল করি উই শুড গো দেয়ার, তখন আমরা সামহোয়ার ব্যবহার করতে পারি। এখন আমাদের অনেক সময় আমরা মোবাইল ফোন হারিয়ে ফেলি, আমাদের ইম্পর্টেন্ট জিনিসপত্র খুঁজে পাই না। অ্যাট দ্য টাইম উই ইউজ দ্য সামহোয়ার, কোথায় আছে জিনিসটা কোথায় আছে, আমরা পরে খুঁজে পাবো, এটা নিয়ে ওয়ারি হওয়ার কিছু নেই। ওকে, লেটস লুক এট দ্য সেন্টেন্স। I want to visit somewhere which is fascinating to look at. আমি কোথায় ভিজিট করতে চাই, পরিদর্শন করতে চাই যেটা ছিল অনেক সুন্দর, যেই জায়গাটা অনেক সুন্দর and fascinated, মনোমুগ্ধকর। That means it is totally unknown for me. The place is totally unknown for me. I don't know actually where is the place. Let's look at the next example. The next example for you that my mobile phone has somewhere. Don't worry about it. Your wife is very worried about your phone because you are searching that one, but you said that my mobile phone has somewhere else. Amar mobile phone ta kothao ache. Don't worry about it. You may say that as well. They have somewhere else. Don't worry. Don't be panic about it. I repeat the example for you, better understanding. I want to visit somewhere which is fascinated for me. Next example for you that my mobile phone has somewhere. Don't worry about that. My son and daughter have somewhere else. I hope you got it. You make different sentences and you can use in daily conversation which brings you wonderful and that feel you comfortable to speak. Okay, let's move the next one, that is somewhat. I repeat again, somewhat means a little. That is very little thing actually happen for you. If I speak in Bangla, somewhat means কিছুটা। আমরা যখন কিছুটা অসুস্থ থাকি, কিছুটা টায়ার্ড থাকি, কিছুটা ভালো থাকি, at that time in that case we can use somewhat. You may say that I'm somewhat exhausted. আমি কিছুটা ক্লান্তিতে আছি, টায়ার্ড আছি, because for lot of work. I'm somewhat exhausted for doing a lot of work. He is somewhat well. সে কিছুটা ভালো because for getting proper treatment. They are somewhat sick. তারা কিছুটা অসুস্থ for doing a lot of work for few days. I repeat again the sentences for you better understanding. I'm somewhat exhausted. আমি কিছুটা tired. আমি কিছুটা ক্লান্তিকর. They are somewhat sick. তারা কিছুটা অসুস্থ. He is somewhat well. সে কিছুটা ভালো, কারণ সে অনেকদিন অসুস্থ ছিল, এখন কিছুটা ভালো। So I hope you understood what I try to mean, and if you applied in your daily conversation, that will be great for you and you will become a good speaker day after day. Somewhat and somewhere. somewhat means কিছুটা, a little, আর somewhere means কোথায়ও, a place that is totally unknown for you. I hope you enjoyed our today's lecture. If you want to get more video about English, you can follow us and stay with us and keep supporting and practice. Practice makes it perfect. Today end here. Allah Hafiz.